listen, if it were me and I had been drinking, I would be on my knees asking for forgiveness. Forgive. I'd be on my belly begging you, forgive me for doing this to you, for destroying a family, for taking the life of a good man. How can she sit there and not look at us and what she did to us? How can she want everything thrown out so she can walk away and live her life?
Do it again?
Exactly. This woman should never drive again. This woman should have a driver's license that says she had a DUI, that she killed someone so that no one ever sells her alcohol again.
No, not right now. This is just the evidentiary hearing, which means they're determining what can be presented to a jury. And then the next step is they'll be choosing a jury for the trial. And like we said, we don't know the timeline of when they're choosing a jury or when the actual trial will be.
We're just basically here in solidarity for a true statement. That they need to stop killing my friends. They need to recognize that there's lives out there, and yes, we are sharing the road. And for every dipshit that we have out there, be considerate. We're not all like that.
I like to see some hard punishment. I want people to be accountable for their actions.
No justice,
no peace.
no justice, no peace, no justice, no peace. One driver kills somebody in an accident with another vehicle, they get tried and they go to jail. You know, very easy. Why is it so hard for us to prove ourselves? Why are we out here having to prove ourselves? You know, and we're just because we ride bikes, you know?
No, that's ridiculous.
No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace.
You know, it's the fucking judges, it's the lawyers, the DAs, you know what I'm saying? It's the people making the decisions on behalf of our lives.
If Dr. K doesn't get his due, nobody will.
Walk the right path. I'm not going to take the easy way out. I do not deserve to take the easy way out. I'm going to take the right path. I'm going to take, you know what, ma'am? What can I do for you? I killed your husband. What can I do for you to make things right? You know what? I might look at her a totally different way.
Yeah.
You all would look at her a totally different way as a human being.
You can just say their name, Chico Bradshaw. I think.
Stop killing cyclists! Stop killing cyclists!
Stop killing cyclists! Stop killing cyclists!
Stop killing cyclists! Stop killing cyclists!
So in the courtroom, they would refer to my dad as having expired,
Right.
rather than having been struck by a vehicle or killed. And yeah, there's a whole legal terminology. I'm currently in law school. I've almost graduated from law school that exists, but it does a lot to separate the victim from the entire process and alienates myself and my family and members of the community who care about issues like this. And I think for my mom, it's very difficult for her to sit in the courtroom, and the language is dehumanizing that they use, and that's why she had such an emotional reaction. And I'm glad I was able to come down and be here for you.
They don't get it right on my husband's case, nobody has a chance. Because my husband was so incredibly, safe in how he rode. I remember when I did ride with my husband, he always rode behind me because he always wanted to make sure I was okay. But I remember cars would purposely sometimes change lanes just to get close enough to you and honk at you. And I wasn't an expert like my husband, so those honking can startle you.
Stop killing cyclists! Stop killing cyclists! Stop killing cyclists! Stop killing cyclists!
Stop killing cyclists.